Hello everyone. So if you want to clean the clipboard on any Samsung Galaxy device, here's how to do that. So first of all, let's summon our keyboard. Let's open up any kind of applications. I'm gonna be using Notes for this task. Now let's create a new node and let's see our keyboard. There it is. So now how do we find our clipboard? Simply tap on this tablet icon. It's right in this toolbar. And there you will locate your clipboard. So clipboard is quite a functional thing. You'll find your screenshots, you'll find your recent screenshots, of course. You'll find your links, all the shared icons will be right here. So if you want to delete one thing, simply choose it and tap on this trash icon, confirm your choice by pressing delete, and basically that is it. So if you want to delete more, simply hold your finger on a couple of them and press delete. Confirm your choice by pressing delete, and that's it. If you want to delete everything, hold it, make sure to choose all, press delete once again. Basically, that is it. Also, on some keyboards, you have an option to turn off clipboard in general if you want to, if you find it comfortable for some reason. So tap on this settings icon, locate the clipboard if there is an option on this clipboard. So as you see, for something there is no option to turn it off. However, I recommend you to do your literal own exploration. I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.